Okay, Chaim, it's so good. Thank you so much for coming down. I want to show you a room. It's going to blow you away. I hope you're able to have so much clothing to fill it up.
Wow, look at this room, guys. Well, but I have to first take this room in. Just look around, Kevin. This is a closet, right? Technically, this is a closet.
This could be really a bedroom. In Borough Park, it's 2 bedrooms.
In Borough Park, this is definitely a dining room. So this is a typical closet out of Borough Park. So you made this closet over here.
Yeah, we designed it. We spoke to the customer, what their needs, and what they want to have in the closet.
Look at this closet. So let me hear a little how you built this closet and what went into this closet.
So first of all, we discussed with the customer how what their needs are regarding the clothing, how much hanging, how much folding. Like if a customer folds a lot, then they need to have more shelves. If a customer does more hanging, they need to have more hanging.
So you spoke to the customer before, and you customized whatever.
How many shoes they needed. Here is a nice bench. A nice bench. You could sit down, put on your shoes. Here it opens. Touch the open. It opens over here.
Touch the open. What's all you saying? Storage space?
Yeah, just extra storage.
Wow. So they have a full closet of shoes over here, a closet of hanging stuff, a closet of, shirts, sweaters, suits. They have he and you have she.
Yeah, separate.
Separate sides. Shouldn't mix them up.
Here's a nice charging port, which blends in nicely.
Wow, nice charging port, a nice island.
Here also you see the drawers open, close nicely.
Beautiful, so seamless.
Here there's a nice hamper. You could take it out, bring it into the
washing room.
Easy.
That's so creative. Wow, so you put your laundry in there.
Put your laundry and you move it, it's easy. Makes it simple.
Nice table over here with a chair. So this is what Easy Closets does, Chevre. You dream it, they create it. I love this closet room. Hanging stuff, more hanging stuff, more hanging stuff. Shoes for he, shoes for she. This is amazing. All right, Shlomi, take me to the next project you did in this house.
Okay, Galdik. Customized laundry room over here.
Customized laundry room.
Cover for the washer and dryer.
It should look a nice top.
Finished. It should be finished. Here's a ironing board which comes out. And it has a matching door.
So you close it.
Here's hanging on top. Here's doors for extra storage. Here's a big drawer to put in all the clothing in order to store it for the washer and dryer.
What's that?
No, that's nothing.
That's the vacuum.
Yeah. Okay, Chaim, let's go downstairs.
Let's go downstairs. Shlomi, I heard about your closet company so much, Easy Closets. Finally, we're seeing it in action. Seeing it in action.
Here's a mudroom right when you come into the house. Here's more drawers. Here's again a bench.
I love that concept of a bench. Sit down, Bakvim.
Yeah, and then here you have extra storage. You have extra hanging.
So they wanted, I like the concept of a low hanging rack, because you can have 2. 1, 2.
That's
instead of one in the middle.
Space. When you have a double hanging rack, instead of just having long, if you have shorter, you're able to get the double amount.
Double amount of the space.
Yeah.
That's called maximizing the space.
Maximizing the space.
Wow.
Even though you see in the garage, it slants downwards, you see how the molding is...
It's on a slant.
It's slanted, it's called scribed. So it should fit the exact shape of the floor.
Wow. You
have just the big cabinets for all your extra storage.
Cabinetry for storage, customized of course. Look at the finishes over there. Goes around the moldings. Wow.
Okay, Gavaldik. So this we basically customized all the closets in this house. And there's a bunch of closets here. We just showed you some of the main ones. But we basically customized the whole house of closets. And the customers was very happy.
Shlomi, I just spoke to the customer, right? You saw it. The customer here was in my video. I usually don't go into the video. However, the customer was thrilled. He told me Shlomi pulled off a job which was beyond expectations. I don't do that for anybody, especially for you.
Yeah, so here you see it's Baruch Hashem, it's a beautiful, gorgeous house. Everything very gorgeous, and the closets is one of the highlights of the house.
You're saying, what's a gorgeous house without gorgeous closets?
Exactly.
Do you need a gorgeous custom closet to just finish off the job, with the keep everything, with the store everything, with the customize everything. So you go with the customer before the house is done or after the house is done and just customize all the rooms, all the
Usually,
closetry.
yeah, a lot of times the customer calls me earlier when they're in, let's say,
Construction mode.
the
Planning.
The planning, right.
Oh,
So
wow.
the planning. How should we do a closet here? How big should we make the closet? How deep should we make the closet? That's sometimes some of the contractors make mistakes on that. They make it not deep enough for hanging.
Wow.
And-
How about summer homes, Catskills?
Yeah.
It's coming up this summer.
So actually people reach out to me. Obviously it has to make sense. So if it's like a full colony, that'll make sense. Then obviously, our price.
So you're saying you like to do full big jobs? Not gonna come out for it.
Locally, obviously, I'm in the
Right.
Lakewood, Toms River area. Locally, I come for almost any job that makes sense. But in order to go
To
drive,
go out, let's say to get you to come to Okeechobee to do the closet there, it's gonna cost. Or get a couple of houses together, Chevre.
yeah, but
Wow.
let's say Catskills or
Muncie,
Exactly, yeah.
Borough Park.
exactly
Chevre, Shlomi Stark. Reach out to him. The phone number is
347-224-6652.
Chevre, reach out to Shlomi, the phone number we put.
We'll
And
come
tell
up
him
with a
he's
nice
doing the
promotion.
Perlowitz. Shlomi's going to come up with a nice promotion for you. Chevre, his work is artwork. Mark my word, mark this person's, this client over here in this house. He doesn't want to be on camera, but I'm going to say it for him. I'm going to get at the camera again. The work is artwork. Chevre, it's my Thank you, Shlomi.